Guys, and welcome to the thinking science. So in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of a special thing. I'm going to tell you later about it. So as expected, it is another unboxing video. So this time now I'm going to say you that what I'm going to unbox today. So you can see this is ta-da. This is Arduino Uno. It's a circuit board. It's an Arduino Uno. It's mainly manufactured, or it is made by Arduino, and it has a separate software in the computers as well to program this. Actually, it's designed to give the electronics engineers, or the people who study electronics, or hobbyists, or students, or to help the students in school projects. So this is designed for that purpose, and this is a big platform these days for programming purposes. So let's unbox this today, right? So we get a packet of Arduino Uno, which is single Arduino Uno. It's symbol board model Uno R3, open source electronics prototype platform, open source electronics prototype platform. And the website for this is arduino.cc to download it in your PC. And it is made in Italy, and nothing more than that. Aura had just complained, zero carbon footprint in patent, zero, nothing more than that. It's the connection cable. It has a separate one, unique one. I bought it in the local electronics store near my home, and this is the USB to USB cable for programming Arduino. On the other end, it's very different type of pin. So let's keep this aside. These are jumper wires. Male. This is female side. This is male side. Male and female jumper wires. It's a pack. I bought all these from a local store, and but we can buy these things in online. So for online purposes, or who don't have the stores nearby, they can buy these things from online. I'll give the link in the description down below. So if you haven't subscribed to this video, subscribe to this video first, and then hit that bell icon to get notifications of this or not only notifications, but actually the video is faster. So let's get started with the unboxing. So let's open this pack. Let's open this tap. So there we go. We got the board. It's Arduino. This is the microcontroller. It's a jumper bits to connect the jumper wires. These are the pins, 6-bit pins. There's some resistors. ICs all the way, integrated circuit. This is the port. This is another port. One we have read already. So it's the board. We got this, and let's take the cable and connect it. It's very good. I think this fits like this, or gonna fit in like this. Pentagonal shape. You press this and it's pumped in there. So you gotta connect this and to the PC or your laptop, anything you got, like the PC or a laptop, you can connect it to that and program it. And you gotta connect some motor drivers for this to run like a robot and connect with all the motors, DC motors, gear motors. Right? So there's a button out there here. So reset button. That means if you have coded anything wrongly or you want to use it again and again. So if you press this one time, all the data or all the program work we did it, or the designing we did it in this by side of the programming or software designing. So you can erase that. It's the reset button. That means the things you have programmed in this will be erased off by pressing this one button. So be careful by pressing this. All right, so this is the thing. Let's take this off. Let's keep it aside. These are the 4-bit jumper wires to put this in like this. You can put it there. You can put it them and you can run those things. So let's take 2 of them separately, green and yellow. So let's test the female pins connecting here. There, one. There, another one. We got this. We got this off. Let's take this out. Let's put it to this end. So these are working. Everything is designed properly. And, very great. It's very great. You know, you can program anything. You can make your own robots. So I suggest you to buy this. It's a very great thing. But one thing, it differs from Raspberry Pi differently. It's not that Raspberry Pi. You can program this directly. Right? So thanks for watching the video. I think you enjoyed this video, and my announcement is on this is in this thing. You can for this thing I'm gonna put another video of downloading Arduino software in your PC to program this. So in the next video it's gonna be about that. I'm gonna make the video and post it in this. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, like the video, share the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so then you can subscribe to my channel down below and hit that bell icon beside that to get notifications faster to you. So thanks for watching.